We'll guide you through how to use Claude Code effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Code website. You'll need to sign in with your account, so if you don't have one yet, click on the Sign Up button and create a new account by entering your email and setting a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. This is where you can create and manage your coding projects. To start a new project, click on the New Project button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Give your project a name and choose the programming language you want to work with from the drop-down menu. Claude Code supports a variety of languages, so make sure to select the one you need. After setting up your project, you'll be directed to the coding interface. Here, you can write your code in the editor window. If you want to test your code, look for the Run button, typically found at the top of the editor. Clicking this will execute your code and display the results in the output panel below. For collaboration, Claude Code allows you to invite team members to your project. Simply click on the Share button and enter their email addresses to send invites. You can also manage version control by integrating with GitHub, which is a great feature if you're working on larger projects. Just click on the Integrate option and follow the prompts to link your GitHub repository. Remember, if you ever get stuck, Claude Code has a help section accessible from the main menu where you can find documentation and support. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.